Hey, so it's raining outdoors. You could see here it's a beautiful little park and I am in this gazebo. So I want to ask you a question. Can you mount your TV when it is raining outdoors? Well, with the Zebozap, you definitely can. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So this is the Zebozap state-of-the-art product. It's called the ZZTVA 2044. Zebozap specializes in outdoor TV mounts which are actually waterproof and weatherproof. So today I'm going to show you how to mount this TV mount onto your pillar. And the special thing about Zebozap products, this is a no-drill TV mount. Could you believe that? It's a no-drill TV mount. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So when you open the product, you have the manual, right? This is the manual, simple. And then you have the main TV mount where you attach your TV. And if you open this box, this is the main pillar unit. This is the one that you're going to mount onto your pillar. And here we also have the main, just take this out. Yeah, this is the one. These are called straps, the Zebozap own TV mount straps. And this comes with this built-in ratchets, right? Ratchets. So with this TV mount, you do not have to drill any holes onto your pillar. So I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So I have attached the straps. There are two straps right here, and these straps are already built in with this ratchet, so you don't have to do any more job. So it just took me about minutes to do this, and next step is to place the TV mount onto a pillar. So I have a square pillar. This is a concrete pillar. You could actually mount your TV onto any types of pillars, whether it's round, square, concrete, wooden, metal, any type of pillars. So this is a gazebo. There are 4 pillars here. I'm going to mount my TV onto one of the pillars. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So firstly, you just place the mount onto the pillar and then pull the straps. So I'm doing this alone. If you have anyone to help you, you could also do it. So come over here. So what you do with this ratchet is you take this strap with the circle printed on it and place it into this part right here. Pull the strap until it's a bit tight, a bit tight, and then what you do is you just use these ratchets to tighten the strap around the pillar, right? So just up and down like this, and then automatically the ratchet tightens the strap. So done with the first strap, the top strap, I'm going to do the same thing to the bottom strap, right? Same thing, just pull this ratchet towards this area so that both the ratchets are at the same area. You take the strap, see this round printed thing right here? Just place it into the ratchet like this. Through here, just pull the strap until it's a bit tight, and then use these ratchets to tighten the strap. Go. Done placing the main pillar unit. As you can see here, there are already bolts and nuts over there, so you don't have to care about that. And you can see the main TV mount actually has all these bolts, the strong stainless steel, waterproof bolts, all fixed. There's this, and this is the main TV mount where you mount your TV. So you just take this, okay, and then make sure this special lock is open. Alright, arrow that shows up, as you can see here, make sure it points up, and then place it onto the bolts. Slide it through, and just that click sound. That click sound indicates that TV mount is locked onto the main pillar unit. Alright, so as you can see here, this is the TV mount, and now you are ready to place your TV onto this TV mount. What is so special about this TV mount? Well, let me just tell you, right? Firstly, the motion, right? It has a 360-degree motion where you can mount your TV onto this TV mount. Secondly, you could also place this TV mount right into place and lock it whenever not in use. And the very special thing about this TV mount, the whole thing is waterproof, weatherproof, no matter what kind of weather. You can still leave this TV mount outdoors. Okay, just unmount the TV from the TV mount and then leave this outdoors. And in about minutes, guys, in about minutes, you just saw me doing it. So you could mount your TV onto a pillar in just minutes. That is the special thing about the Zebozap outdoor products. Do check out our products online and get more information before you get one for yourself.